Hey YouTube viewers, you're watching James 47500. I'm here with my friend. If you guys didn't hear that, J Meyer 7200. All right, make sure you visit her channel. All right, you know I'm in some of those videos. All right, you know I'm in constipated kid gets mad. You gotta admit that's hilarious. But anyway, I just wanted to say my catchphrase.
And Emma RJ being stupid.
Whatever. But my new catchphrase is whip-de-doo, the cow goes moo.
Shazam!
Go shorty, it's your birthday.
Boom! Boom!
If you didn't hear that,
Boom.
that was shorty.
Boom!
Go get your headset.
Boom!
Go get your headset.
Boom!
Okay, you know what? You know what? Stop, Alex. I'm in my basement right now. This is my greatest basement. Uh-oh.
Oh god!
Bro, stop. Put my Nerf gun down.
In a second.
Stop. Now go pick him up.
I just want to do this. It's funny.
Stop. Dude, did you like fart? Oh, man. Bro, you got mental problems.